Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Azure Database Administrator Associate DP-300. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how does Azure SQL database handle automated backups and what are the retention policies? Your answer should be, Azure SQL database automatically performs full backups weekly, differential backups every few hours and log backups every few minutes. Key points include retention period. By default, backups are retained for 7 days for basic and standard tiers and 35 days for premium tiers. You can configure long-term retention for up to 10 years for compliance purposes. Point-in-time restore. Azure SQL database allows you to restore the database to any point within the retention period, providing granular recovery options in case of data loss or corruption. Our next question is, what are the differences between Azure SQL Database and Azure SQL Data Warehouse Synapse Analytics? Your answer should be Azure SQL Database, a fully managed relational database for building and deploying cloud-based application, optimized for OLTP, online transaction processing workloads with low latency transaction processing and high availability, suitable for traditional relational database scenarios such as web application, line of business applications, and SaaS solution. Azure SQL Data Warehouse Synapse Analytics, an analytics platform optimized for handling large volumes of data and complex analytical queries. Uses a distributed architecture with massively parallel processing (MPP) to process and analyze data across multiple nodes. Ideal for data warehousing, business intelligence, and data analytics scenarios that require processing large data sets and running complex queries. Our next question is, how can you automate Azure SQL database management tasks using Azure Automation and PowerShell? Your answer should be, you can automate Azure SQL database management tasks using Azure Automation and PowerShell by creating runbooks. Write PowerShell script or workflows to perform tasks such as database provisioning, configuration, backup, restore, and performance optimization. The second one is scheduling tasks. Use Azure Automation to schedule the execution of runbooks at predefined intervals or in response to specific triggers such as database events or performance thresholds. And the third one is integration with Azure SQL database. Utilize Azure Automation's integration with Azure SQL database to authenticate and execute SQL commands against the database, automate administration tasks, and enforce compliance policies. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, current, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.